So what you're going to need in today's recipe is some pineapple, bananas, and then some vanilla yogurt, some honey, and some Allen's apple juice. And of course, a bird behind you making a lot of noise. So my name is Alan from Coach Alan Recipes. On this channel, we're doing a lot of smoothies at this point in time so you can get healed up from your basketball training. So what we're going to be using is bananas because they have the potassium that's going to help your muscles recover from the workout. It's going to cut down a lot of cramps. And then we're going to be having the calcium from the yogurt so that we heal and work our bones. We're going to have some honey for flavoring, the sugar, the carbohydrates that you can even use this or have this smoothie before your workout because of the carbs that you're going to be getting from the honey, and then the vitamin C from the Allen's apple juice, and of course the pineapple. So let's get this all mixed up. This is a really healthy smoothie for you to basically make. We're going to be having one banana. Now, the darker the skin on the banana, the better when you're doing a smoothie, because of course, when they're nice and ripe and everything, that's when you want to eat them. When they get a little bit darker, that's when you want to put them in the smoothies. And then we're going to have our sliced pineapple. We're going to be adding that in. I absolutely love pineapple. And now we're going to move over towards the honey. We're going to be adding the honey in. And what you're going to be needing is just a tablespoon, a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. Not a huge amount, just enough to go in. And then we're going to be adding in, after this, some apple juice, just a little bit of a splash, not a ton, just enough to make it liquidy. That's kind of what we have. You can also use orange juice. There's so many different juices that you could use, but apple juice works really well. And then we're going to add in the yogurt. Now we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Make it 2.5. That's about right. Again, you don't need to be perfectly precise. And then we're going to add in the ice cubes. Yes, the ice cubes I forgot to mention earlier. Anyways, so what we have is about 5 to 6 ice cubes, and now we're going to mix it all together. Oh yeah, look at this. That is beautiful. Yeah. Now, for any of those gamers out there, those football players, basketball players looking for a fantastic smoothie or healthy drink, or even you could use this as a meal supplement between breakfast, supper, whatever it may be, this is absolutely amazing. I think it's really good, and I think you'll love it as well. So make sure to try this out. Leave a comment below as to how you feel about this recipe and how you think it tastes, and I'll see you guys in my next video.